Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about the do while loop in C++. So let's get started. First of all, we need to recap what we talked about in the last video, which was the while loop, so you guys can remember what exactly we are doing. So let's write a simple while loop here. So you guys can see that we have three parts. Okay, we have the creation of a variable and its assignment of some value, in this case 0. We have the while loop and a condition, and we have the increment. So this is just a recap from the last video, so you guys can see what is the difference between a do while loop and a while loop. Okay, so I need to execute this, so you guys can see here. Okay, from starting from 0 to 9. So to use a do while loop, we need to do something different. I need to comment this out so we can write a do while loop. So a do while loop, it's very similar to a while loop, but the thing is that it doesn't have the condition. The increment comes before the condition. So we would write the increment here, and let's print out number here. So you guys can see we have the creation of the variable and its assignment. We have the do, which means to do something. We have cout number, and we have the increment here. The increment will happen here. And lastly, we write the condition, which is number less than 10. We did need to put a semicolon here to end this statement. So if you execute this, you should see almost the same output. Okay, this is very similar. You guys can see there's no apparent difference, but actually there is. But I'm going to discuss now. So the main difference here is that this statement will execute this block of code at least once, even if the statement is false. So you guys can see, because we are seeing that this statement comes afterwards. So if for instance we decide that number is equal 10, okay, and if we execute, we still see 10, as you guys can see here. But if you do the same with a while loop, which we will do now, so you guys can see, this will not happen, because as you guys can see, the statement comes before it prints out it see out the number. So if we execute this, naturally we shouldn't be able to see the number 10 on the console, as you guys can see. So this is the main difference. Apparently it's not a bigger difference, because you guys can see that it's not easy to spot the difference. It's just a simple minor detail. But that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.